Look at these words. Enter. How to use enter? Should we use into with it? So if I speak, we entered into the classroom, is it right? It is wrong. The correct use is we entered the classroom. No need of into. We entered into the classroom. Galat hai. We entered into the classroom is wrong. Don't speak like this. Speak. We entered the classroom. No need of into. Another one. Finish. I have finished from my work. Is it correct? No, wrong. I have finished my work. This is the correct sentence. I have finished from my work is incorrect. I have finished my work is correct. Take another example. Leave. Brian left from England. It is wrong. Brian left England. Brian left England. No need of from. Next sentence. Obey. We should obey to our teachers. It is incorrect. We should obey our teachers. No need of to. We should obey our teachers. There is no need of preposition to. Another word, allow. The driver allowed to John. It is wrong. The driver allowed John. No need of to. The driver allowed to John is incorrect. The driver allowed John. No need of preposition to. Similarly, let. Driver let to John. Incorrect. Driver let John sit in the front seat. So let or allow do not require preposition to. Another word is permit. The teacher doesn't permit to. No, no need of to. The teacher doesn't permit us. There is no need of preposition to after permit. Another word is reach. There is no need of preposition at. We reached at the school. It is incorrect. We reached the school. We reached the school. We reached at the school is wrong. We reached the school. No need of preposition at. Resemble. No need of preposition to. She resembles to her father. Incorrect. She resembles her father. Does she resemble to her father? Incorrect sentence. Does she resemble her father? No need of preposition to. Another incorrect sentence. The bravery is a great virtue. It is wrong. Bravery is a great virtue. We don't use article the with abstract noun like bravery, courage, etc. So the bravery is incorrect use. Bravery is a great virtue. There is no need of article the before bravery. The gold is a precious metal. Again, it's incorrect use. There is no need of article the with material nouns. Gold is a precious metal. There is no need of article the before gold. The dogs are faithful animals. It is incorrect sentence. Dogs are faithful animals. There is no need of article the before dogs. Dogs are faithful animal. However, if you are using dog in general sense without s, you can use article the. The dog is a faithful animal. Tim speaks the English very well. Incorrect. There is no need of article the with names of languages. Tim speaks English very well. Don't use the before English here. Tim speaks the English. Incorrect. Tim speaks English very well. This is correct. The Sunday can be a day of prayer. Incorrect. Sunday. No need of article the with names of days and with names of month. Sunday can be a day of prayer. The December is the last month. It is wrong, incorrect. There is no need of article the before December. December is the last month. The man is born in a sinner. It is incorrect. Don't use the with man denoting human race. Man is born sinner. My sister goes to the school. It is incorrect. Don't use article the with school or college or university. My sister goes to school. This is correct now. My sister goes to the school is wrong. My sister goes to school. It is implied she is going to school to study. On Sunday, I go to the church. Again, it is incorrect sentence. Do not use article the with church or temple. Right? To go to church means to go and pray. But if you are just a visitor, like you go to Goa, and in Goa, or if suppose you go to Diu or Pondicherry, and you wanted to visit the local church as a visitor, not to offer pray, then you can use article the. So then you can say, I visited the church, because there you did not go to pray, but there you visited as a visitor. So on Sunday, I go to the church. It is incorrect here because you are going to church to offer prayer. Therefore, correct sentence is on Sunday, I go to church. Horses are strong animals. The horses in the field belong to the farmers. Horses are strong animal. Right? There is no need of article the, because it is a general talk. The horses in the field. Here we are talking about particular horses. So particular horses, the horses in the field belong to the farmer. Here we will use article the. The is to denote particular horses which belong to the farmer, not to all the farmer, all the horses, but only those horses which are there in the field. Wisdom is a great virtue. We don't use article the before wisdom or any such abstract noun. Wisdom is a great virtue. There is no need of article the. The wisdom of Chanakya or the wisdom of Solomon was famous. Here we will use article the because it is talking about particular wisdom. The wisdom of Solomon. So article the will be used. Water is necessary to life. There is no need of article the before water. But if you're talking about particular water, suppose you say the water of Ganges, the water of the Ganges is very pious. The particular water, the water in the kitchen is hot. See here you will use article the because you are talking about particular water, the water in the kitchen. So when you put article the, you are talking about specific type of water. Summer is a hot season, no need of article the. But if you say the summer of 99 was very hot, or the summer of 2021 is very hot. So here it's a particular summer, therefore we will use article the. English is spoken all over the world. There is no need of any article before English here. But if you want to speak, mention about a particular English, the English she speaks is not correct. So here you have to use article the to denote English language spoken by particular individual. Names of meals. Breakfast is at 8 o'clock. There is no need of any article before breakfast. But if you denote a particular breakfast, the breakfast I had this morning was delicious. So here it is particular breakfast that I am mentioning, so we will use article the. Blue is my favorite color. No need of article before blue. But if I am talking about particular blue, the blue in the picture has faded. This is a particular color, so we have to use article the. The blue in the picture has faded. They saw him to leave the house. It is incorrect. They saw him leave the house. No need of preposition to here. They saw him to leave the house. Incorrect. It is wrong. They saw him leave the house. They saw him leave the house. Another use could be they saw him leaving the house. That is also correct. I watched the girls to play hockey. Wrong. I watched the girls play hockey. Or I watched the girls playing hockey. We heard him to speak. It is grammatically wrong. We heard him speak. Or we heard him speaking. We heard him speaking in English. I could feel her heart to beat is wrong. It is incorrect. Don't use to here. Preposition to should not be used here. I could feel her heart beat, or I could feel her heart beating. My little brother is at school. My little brother, he is at school. Now, if you want to use here my little brother for he, that is sufficient. So there's no need of repetition. My little brother is at school, or say he is at school. He is at school, or my little brother is at school. I bought an English book to read it. It is incorrect. I bought an English book to read. No need of it. I bought an English book to read. It is wrong. I bought the English book to read. No need of it. She said that I am sure to pass. She said, inverted comma, I am sure to pass. There is no need of that. She said, I am sure to pass. Indirect speech. And if you are using indirect speech, then you can use that. He said that he was sure to pass. In indirect speech, you will not use I. You will convert I into he. He said that he was sure to pass. Direct speech is she said that I am sure to pass. And indirect speech is she said that she was sure to pass. He is more stronger. Double comparative is always wrong. It is a wrong sentence. He is stronger. That's all. No need of more stronger. My work is more perfect. Absolutely wrong. My work is superior or my work is perfect. My work is better. If you want to compare, use comparative word like superior, better. And if you do not want to compare, simply use perfect. My work is perfect. She has returned back to school. Incorrect. She has returned to school. No need of back. From now and on, I will study hard. Wrong. From now on, I will study hard. Although is the conjunction. Okay. Next sentence, please. Although it is raining, yet he will go. The correct sentence is, although it is raining, he will go. Although it is raining, he will go. Although is the conjunction introducing subordinate clause. And with although, yet or still is not required. So if it is really required, use it, otherwise don't use it. So although it is raining, yet he will go is grammatically incorrect. Better word is sentence is, although it is raining, he will go. No need of yet. When school is over, I go to home. When school is over, I go to home. When school is over, I go to home. So what is wrong here? Go to home nahi hoga. Go home. Go to home is not required. Don't use article. Don't use preposition to here. When school is over, I go home. When school is over, I go home. I go to home is incorrect. Many lives. Mary lives 2 miles far from here. Correct sentence is, Mary lives 2 miles from here. No need of the word far. 2 miles from here. Janet wrote carefully her essay. It is incorrect. Janet wrote her essay carefully. Carefully is adverb. It should come after. It should come after. At the end, Janet wrote carefully her essay. So carefully should come after. Janet wrote her essay carefully. Generally, adverb comes after the object. Which is the adverb here? Carefully. If object is long, then the adverb may come after the verb. Example is, she wrote carefully all the essays she had to do. Here we will use carefully before the object. She wrote carefully all the essays she had to do, because here the object is very long. Another sentence. Is the room enough large for you? It is wrong. Is the room large enough for you? Enough will come after the word it qualifies. Enough is adverb. And enough word should come after the word it qualifies, not before that. So is the room enough large? Is wrong. Is the room large enough? However, if enough is an adjective, it comes before the noun. We have enough food. Here enough is adjective. We have enough food for 6 people. Here enough will come before. Another sentence. I should have not gone. It is wrong. I should not have gone. I should not have gone. Position not in a compound verb after the first auxiliary. So first auxiliary is should. So I should not have gone. I told Lich to meet. I told Lich to not come on Monday. It is incorrect. I told Lich not to come on Monday. So, not in the negative infinitive immediately before the word to. So, not will require not and to. The relation has to be very clear. So, not will come before to. I told Lich not to come on Monday. I told Lich to not is wrong. I told Lich not to come on Monday. The teacher asked me, what games did I play? The teacher asked me what games I played. What games I played. We will not speak what games did I play. What games I played. This is incorrect. Did I play is incorrect. Teacher asked me what games I played is correct. In indirect questions, follow the usual order of the words. Subject first, then verb. If it is direct question, like did I play game, then it is a direct question. You have to put did before. But if it is indirect question, teacher asked me, then teacher asked me what games did I play? Wrong. What I played. What games I played. He touched with his hand the ball. It is incorrect. He touched the ball with his hand. He touched the ball. The verb, the object of the transitive verb generally comes directly after the verb. Verb is touched. Object is ball. They should come closely. There should not be gap between them. He touched with his hands the ball. It is incorrect because touched and the ball should come together. He touched the ball with his hand. I showed to her some of my stamps. It is incorrect. I showed some of my stamps to her. The indirect object is preceded by a preposition. Place it after the direct object. So indirect object is her and direct object is my stamps. So my stamps have to come before the indirect object. I showed some of my stamps to her. Indirect object usually comes first without a preposition. My uncle has a garden very large. The correct sentence will be, my uncle has a very large garden. Put adjective immediately before the noun, it qualifies. So, very large is adjective. Put it before the noun. My uncle has a very large garden. The ordered goods haven't arrived. It is incorrect. The goods ordered haven't arrived. The goods ordered is a shortened form of goods which have been ordered. So the ordered goods is wrong. The goods ordered haven't arrived. A girl has a pony who is in our class. It is incorrect. A girl who is in our class has a pony. This is correct. Put the relative clause immediately after the noun to which it refers. The girl who is in our class. Who is in our class is relative clause. So it must come immediately after the girl about whom it is mentioning. Enclose a relative clause that may be omitted between commas. My brother George, who is in another class, has a new bicycle. Emma, when she arrived, the boat had already gone. It is wrong sentence. The correct sentence would be, when Emma arrived, the boat had already gone. When Emma arrived, the boat had already gone. So this is how it can be corrected. Paul neither speaks English nor French. It is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is, Paul speaks neither English nor French. I have read the 2 first chapters. Wrong sentence. I have read the first 2 chapters. अब सही हो गया. Now it is correct. This is academic writing. How to improve academic writing? So when you are writing an article, you have to remember, in every article, you have to write introduction, and then you have to write initial paragraph, middle paragraph, and then end paragraph. This is an article. Here we are starting with keywords, introduction. Every article sheet should be reviewed by others. So when you review, you find mistakes. Now here, I can show you the mistakes identified by reviewer. Introduction. The most important goal before mankind today are the goals of sustainable development. There is no mistake here. One of the most important goals. Goal nahi hoga, goals hoga. You are talking about multiple goals. So the reviewer found a mistake here. One of the most important goals, where is it? One of the most important goals is to end poverty and to bring about dignity of human life. Now it is correct. The goal can be best accomplished through proper policies and proper directions in the planning. One such means of planning is the adoption of noble goal of bringing about equality. Bringing about bringing about equality among people so that there is equal opportunity for all, and there are nahi hoga, there is no discrimination among people. Mankind has suffered heavily through wars, atrocities, and exploitation, which has taken place due to false notions of superiority of one group of people over another. Such false notions of differences have resulted in a huge loss to the mankind. The time has come to awaken and enlighten people that all human beings are equal. That all human beings Gender equality is an important goal among 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Now, the reviewer has added some comments. A defense of equality without reference to schools of thoughts or official document. Okay. So, here I have to put some references. Egalitarianism is an ideology which has been popular, which has been popular for a century now. The goal of this ideology is to achieve a state in which people are treated as equals and get equal opportunity. Now, comment. Reviewer has written a comment. Defense of equality without reference to schools of thought or official documents. So I have to put some references here. This is part of academic writing. In academic writing, what do? You have to write your articles. This is my article which I have written. It's about how many? 8-page article. Now this article has to have different paragraph. Article is divided in different paragraph. Initial paragraph is about introduction. Later paragraphs are about detailed discussions. Now there are some grammatical errors, some structural errors. In academic writing, it is very important that you put proper structure, proper paragraphing, so that whatever you write is good, and get it reviewed by others. When you write an article, you are not able to find your own mistakes. Therefore, get it reviewed by others. Others will find out this should be changed. So this is an article written by me. I got it reviewed by other people. Now they have mentioned some suggestion which I have to incorporate. If I will incorporate these sentences, these changes, my article will improve. This is how academic writing improves. Academic writing improves through suggestions, through peer learning. Peer learning means you write something, ask others to review. And when others review, you again check it. In this way, you are able to improve your writing. This is called peer learning, learning from each other, so that you are able to learn. Now here, I have written, for example, something. Somebody who reviewed it and written a comment. Who? It means this sentence is not very clear. It may be clear to me, but it is not clear to the reader. So I have to rephrase this sentence so that it becomes clear to the reader. How it is? Look at it. Some people treat egalitarianism as a revolt against nature. People are not equal, and if something is done by force, it is not proper. It interferes with the nature. This is the sentence written by me. Now the reviewer has said, who means some people. Who some people? It's not clear. this statement should come in the beginning. This sentence should come in the beginning. The reviewer has written like this. Okay, so I have to rephrase this sentence. Another sentence is, you can see, right? Roemer argues in favor. Roemer is a writer, argues in favor of distributive justice. Now, if I am writing here, I have to put here reference of Roemer. Reference of Roemer must come at the end. The reviewer has said it is not included in the reference. Reference is missing. So let me check references. References are at the end of the paragraph. These are references. Yes, Roemer's reference is missing here. I have not written here Roemer's reference. So I have to find out the reference of Roemer and put it here. So if I will put the references here properly, this mistake will be solved. So this is the last paragraph, conclusion. Every article has to have conclusion at the end. This is the conclusion, and after the conclusion we have references. This is the references. In references, all the paragraphs that I have, all the articles that I have consulted, they are mentioned here as references. So if I am giving references of any article, I have to mention the references like this. How should I write references? There is a manual of referencing that should be consulted, that is called EPA guideline. So EPA guideline will give you how you should write references. This is, for example, one reference. We will write surname first, and then year, and then name of the book, and then publication, where it is published. This is the name of the journal. Issue number 310. This is the issue number. So this is an order in which references have to be written. So when we write, we have to write references like this. If references are properly written, this is called proper referencing. So when we are writing an article, what do we do? This is the article. This is my article. The beginning part, the introduction, the subsequent paragraph, at the end conclusion, and at the end there are references. This will make the article complete.